Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. In this today's video, I am going to explain parts of speech. As in my previous video, I have already explained you the components of the sentence and the structure of a sentence. So in this video, we are discussing the parts of speech. As I have already mentioned over here, there are total 9 parts of speech: pronoun, noun, verb, adverb, adjective, articles, preposition, conjunction and interjection. In this short video, I am just going to tell you what are these basic parts of the speech, which they all contribute together to make a proper sentence. Okay, so let's move on. Pronoun. What is pronoun? As the words itself explain, pronoun. Pro means the word which is going to replace a noun. So basically a word which is used in place of a noun can be explained as a pronoun. So what is noun? To understand what is pronoun, we should understand what is noun. A noun is the name of a person, place, thing, animal, etc. Basically this is the most easiest example and most easiest definition that you can easily learn and remember for your lifetime. नाउन क्या है? ऐसा वर्ड है जिससे कोई नाम पता चलता हो, किसी शख्स का, किसी जगह का, किसी चीज़ का या किसी जानवर का. तो ये नाउन जो है हमारे पास, ये जब रिप्लेस हो जाता है किसी वर्ड से, वो कहलाता है प्रोनाउन. A word which replaces noun is called as pronoun. As I have already mentioned the example, you can focus on noun. Adam, teacher, child, mother, kitchen, America, etc. These are basically the names of person, place, thing and etc. So we can easily replace Adam with he. He is a pronoun which can replace a noun in the sentence. For example, if I say Adam is walking on the road, so I can also tell he is walking on the road. So basically I replace a noun, the name of a person, Adam, with he, a word known as pronoun. I hope this is much clear. As noun is further divided into its categories like proper and common nouns, countable and uncountable noun. In my next video I am going to discuss it in detail, but in this video I am just explaining you what are the parts of speech. Now move to the third one, which is verb. What is a verb? In the most easiest definition, you can easily understand a word which shows an action. जिस वर्ड से हमें किसी काम का होता नज़र आए वो क्या कहलाता है? वर्ब कहलाता है. क्या कहलाता है? वर्ब कहलाता है. लाइक स्लीप, ईट, वॉक, कुक एक्सेट्रा. यानी किसी चीज़ का हो जाना, किसी काम का हो जाना. सोना, उठना, बैठना, खाना, पीना, पढ़ना, रीडिंग, वॉक, टॉक, sleep, cook, eat, clean, etc. These are the words in which we can understand the action that is going on, जिससे हमें कोई काम का होता नज़र आ रहा हो, कोई काम का होना समझ आता हो, वो हमारे पास क्या कहलाता है? वर्ब कहलाता है. After verb, we should understand what are adverbs. As I have already explained you what is verb. So when we add any word, so in verb, when we add any word that explains or describes a verb, adjective or any another adverb in a particular sentence is known as adverb. Like slow, silent, bad. If we add ly in these verbs are called as adverbs, like which explains the adjective or any other verb or adverb. For example, she walks slowly. She walks slowly. Walk means an action, a word which is showing an action, that is called verb. Now we have explained that how she is walking. She walks slowly. Slowly is a word which is explaining the verb, is known as adverb. तो क्या हुआ? she walks slowly में walk जो है हमारे पास verb है जिससे हमें action नज़र आ रहा है. तो ये क्या है? explain कर रहा है adverb किसको? वर्ब को. वर्ब था वॉक और एडवर्ब क्या है? स्लोली. स्लोली वो चल रही है, यानी वो आहिस्ता से चल रही है. तो जो वॉक है वो वर्ब है. वर्ब को जो वर्ड एक्सप्लेन कर रहा है वो है स्लोली. सिमिलरली शी बिहेव्स बैडली. शी बिहेव्स बैडली। बिहेव्स क्या है? बिहेव जो है बेसिकली एक्शन है, वर्ब है, और उसको एक्सप्लेन कौन कर रहा है? बैडली एक्सप्लेन कर रहा है, यानी कि उसका जो बिहेवियर है वो बहुत बुरा है, बहुत बैड है, उसने बहुत बैडली बिहेव किया। I hope that is much clear for you. Now move to the next one, that is adjective. Adjective, a word which describes a noun. जो noun की खुसूसियत, quality, quantity को बताए वो क्या कहलाता है? Adjective कहलाता है. For example, honest, beautiful, tall, small, short, etc. Now articles, a, an and the. These three words are referred to as articles. इनको हम articles कहते हैं जो कि noun से पहले इस्तेमाल होते हैं. I have already explained this topic, articles, in my previous video. You can click the link below in the description box, plus you can check out on my channel, that is language part 1, in which you can have a clear idea about the articles, that how to use and where to use. Now moving towards conjunction. What are conjunction? हम ये बात समझ सकते हैं कि दो जुमलों के जंक्शन पे जो वर्ड यूज़ हो रहा है जिससे दो जुमले जुड़ जाएं वो कहलाते हैं कंजंक्शन. अ वर्ड विच बेसिकली जॉइंस टू सिंगल वर्ड और अ ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स. ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स मीन्स अ सेंटेंस. अ वर्ड विच इज़ जॉइनिंग टू सेंटेंसेस to make a sensible sentence is called as conjunction. I have written 2 examples. You can check this out. I am very hungry, but the fridge is empty. But is the conjunction which is joining two different groups of words. I am very hungry, the fridge is empty. These two sentences are different, but here in this sentence, but is joining these two sentences to make it one and making it a sensible sentence, linking each other. जो जोड़ रहा है इन दो जुमलों को, लिंक कर रहा है और हमें समझा रहा है कि आई एम वेरी हंग्री बट द फ्रिज इज़ एम्प्टी. आई एम वेरी हंग्री एक अलग जुमला है और द फ्रिज इज़ एम्प्टी एक अलग जुमला है. इन दोनों को जोड़कर एक सेंसिबल जुमले में जो चेंज कर रहा है वो वर्ड है बट. ये बट क्या है? बेसिकली कंजक्शन है, तो दो जुमलों को जोड़ रहा है. I was tired, so I went to sleep. In this sentence, so is the conjunction which is joining two different sentences. इसी तरह से दूसरे एग्जाम्पल में so जो है वो इन दोनों का कंजक्शन है जो दो डिफरेंट ग्रुप्स ऑफ वर्ड्स को I was tired और I went to sleep इन दोनों को ज्वाइन कर रहा है. कंजक्शन की इसी तरह से बहुत सारी एग्जाम्पल हैं जैसे कि बिकॉज, एंड, बट, सो. ये क्या कहलाते हैं? हमारे पास कंजक्शन कहलाते हैं जो दो जुमलों को आपस में जोड़ देते हैं. मूविंग टुवर्ड द अनदर वन, दैट इज़ प्रीपोजिशन. प्रीपोजिशन, इट इज़ अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ बेसिकली टू वर्ड्स, प्री एंड पोजिशन. तो व्हाट इज़ प्रीपोजिशन? इट इज़ अ वर्ड विच कंबाइन विद अ नाउन और अ प्रोनाउन टू फॉर्म अ सेंटेंस दैट टेल्स अबाउट अनदर वर्ड इन अ सेंटेंस. ऐसा वर्ड जो किसी नाउन और प्रोनाउन के साथ जुड़ जाए, उनसे पहले लग जाए. प्री पहला पोजीशन, नाउन से पहले वाली पोजीशन, वो क्या कहलाते हैं? हमारे पास प्रीपोजिशन कहलाता है. एग्जाम्पल्स आर ओवर, अंडर, अबव, फॉर, ऑफ, ऑन, फ्रॉम, एक्सेट्रा. इसके अलावा और भी बहुत सारी हैं. देयर आर सो मेनी प्रोपोजिशन विच वी कैन यूज़ इन आर डेली सेंटेंसेस. I have written 2 easy examples over here so that I can make it as much clear as I could. She was hiding under the table. She was hiding under the table. Here under is a preposition that is placed before the table, a noun. Similarly, book is lying on the shelf. On is a preposition which is using in this sentence before the shelf. I hope this is much clear to you. What are preposition? Now moving towards the next. Here interjection, it is the last and the ninth part of a speech which is used very less in our sentence. But what is interjection? It is a word which expresses strong feelings or emotions. Strong feelings and emotions can be of happiness or worry or any of the feeling that a person is going through. I have written only 2 examples over here so that it can be understood. Alas and hooray. We can also understand it by, for example, if we use hooray in a sentence, hooray, we won a match. So basically, if I won a match, I'll be very happy, and I'm explaining my emotion with the word hooray. Hooray is a word which is called as interjection, which is basically explaining the or expressing the feeling that I'm feeling through, or you can say a word which expresses the feeling, which describes the feeling of a person, is called as interjection. So that's all for today. In my next video I'm going to discuss in detail what are the nouns and what are the types of nouns, and in this sequence keep following me and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Goodbye.